Hi, my name is Saleh, and my engineering concept for today's assignment is gonna be geothermal power generation, which geothermal power. What it basically does is it gets heat from the Earth's crust, and it warms the water that is deep into the underground reservoirs of the Earth. When the water is hot enough, it breaks through the Earth's surface, and then so basically this is the Earth, and at this point the Earth crust there's heat, which heats up the water in the inner Earth, and it goes up and breaks through the Earth's surface as steam, which is then used to generate power and drive turbines. There are three types of concepts that I use in geothermal power generation. The first one is dry steam power generation, which gets the underground steam that directly flows through a turbine and drives a generator that produces electricity, which basically goes through a generator, uses steam, and then this steam is used to drive a turbine. That's a turbine, and the energy from this is sent to the power plants to generate electricity for the homes. That's one of the basic forms of geothermal power generation is widely used. The second one is flash steam power plant. So what this technique does is it pumps the hot fluid into a tank that at the surface where it cools, and the cooled steam then turns into water vapor that drives the turbine, and that produces goes to the generator and produces electricity. So how this works is it gets steam from the Earth's surface, goes through a turbine, the heat coolant, which turns the steam into liquid, and then this goes to a turbine that generates a generator, powers the generator, and then thus goes to the electricity distribution channels. The third one is not as widely used, but it's one of the most important parts of geothermal power generation, which is a binary cycle plant. In this one, it's somewhat similar to the flash steam power plant, but it uses two liquids. The first one is the hot fluid that is from the ground, and the second one is a cool water or some kind of hot liquid, but it's cool. It's colder than the liquid used above. It's called the heat transfer fluid. Heat transfer fluid. So this one, it gets the fluid and flashes into vapor. That vapor also spins the turbine and drives the generator. To illustrate this in a diagram, it works like this. So this one gets the heat from the Earth's crust, goes to the coolant, and the other one goes directly to the generator. So these are the generators, which then generates power and sends it to the distribution channel, electricity distribution channel. City distribution channel. So, but these are the three kinds of power generation. Geothermal is pretty good because it's available 24/7, and the heat we get from the Earth wouldn't run out in the coming future. So we can get electricity at low cost 24/7 365 days a year without any disruption, and this could be environmentally friendly, eco-friendly. And the last thing I'd like to conclude is that it doesn't use any form of fuel, so there is no air or fuel pollution that's caused, so we don't need to spend a lot of more money using coal and buying other forms of fuel to generate the turbines. This is done by a renewable resource of energy, so it's basically infinite. Thank you.